Hi guys, welcome to a book talk with me, Miss Josie, from the Lexington County Public Library System. I work over at the South Congaree branch, and I just wanted to talk to you today about some chapter books that I really love. I'm not going to put an age on these books because I'm a full-grown adult and I still love to read kids' chapter books. So, the first one, there's so many. I mean, this is just a very small bit of what is over here. This one's called Insignificant. Let me say that again. Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus. And the reason I picked this one out was that title was just so intriguing, I had to know what it was about. So, the author's name is Dusti Bowling. So all I could think about was like tumbleweeds in a bowling alley. It was just cracking me up. But I just want to say we all had middle school angst, and we all felt like aliens in our own bodies, and that we didn't fit in, every single one of us. So the main character in this book has a birth defect, and she has to overcome it, and she does it so beautifully and so bravely, and there's some great adventure in it too, and some great friendships that she makes, and it's just a really cute and funny book. So check this one out, Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus by Dusti Bowling. Another one that I really like, I mean, this one's a beautiful book, is called Wishtree by Katherine Applegate. Katherine Applegate. This book really spoke to me. It had so many beautiful lines that were just sprinkled throughout this charming story. It's told from the point of view of this oak tree named Red. And as you know, compared to oak trees, our lives are very short on this earth, so it was talking about everything that the tree has seen in his long life. And it's just beautiful. It has lots of animals in it with funny little tidbits and stuff, and it's a little bit about bullying. Somebody carves something mean into the tree, and it just goes from there. One of my favorite quotes from this book is, hollows, and that's are the holes and wounds of a tree, basically. So hollows are proof that something bad can be Let me start that again. It's really hard to talk in the morning sometimes. Hollows are proof that something bad can become something good with enough time and care and hope. And I thought that was just beautiful. This is an amazing book. And if you're struggling with bullying or anything like that, or you just need a new book to read, this is an amazing one. And the last book I want to tell you about is The Remarkable Journey of Coyote Sunrise. And, with this cover and artwork and that title, I mean, I was just sold from that. One of the favorite quotes from this book is, once upon a time, there was a girl and her dad. So this is Coyote Sunrise, and her and her dad travel around the United States in an old school bus that is now their home. At one of the stops, she gets a cat and sneaks it on the bus, unbeknownst to her father, who is very surprised one evening when he wakes up with a cat on him. But once again, this is a beautiful book. Coyote has some real hard problems in life that she's trying to face. And it's just beautiful, the friendships and the strength of her character, her dad's character, and the people around her that really help her overcome these things and deal with some very, very difficult situations. So I just wanted to share these books with you. And before we go, I want to tell you something kind of personal, Everybody was a kid at one point. I know that you guys think that we adults have everything together and that we walk around and we know everything and we're perfect. And I just want to tell you that we are far from perfect. I'm going to show you something and I want you to not laugh. So I tried to find this picture. I have this picture on my phone, but I'm filming on my phone, so I can't show you it on my phone. So I printed it, so the contrast isn't really great. But anyways, this was me in middle school. Actually, this was me in elementary school. I think maybe 4th or 5th grade. And as you can see, I was losing teeth and having my big teeth come in and stuff. And so I did get bullied a little bit, you know, and little kid Josie, you know, didn't always know what to do. My parents were divorced and I faced lots of struggles. And I just want you guys to know that you're not the only one out there facing struggles, that we've all faced struggles. And we are all here from you, from your parents to your friends to your loved ones. We're all here to support you. And just so that you have one more laugh before you go, this was me in middle school. No one told me that you shouldn't get your hair cut really short if you had curly hair. And I wanted the haircut that everyone else in the 80s had, that short girl, sporty look. And it was a bad look. And I had that for a couple years. So stop laughing and just know that you're not alone. And there's plenty of books for you to read at the Lexington County Public Library. And we love you and we miss you and we hope you're all doing well. Bye, friends.